The Hitron MoCA 2.5 adapter kit offers a seamless way to enhance your home network with up to 1 gigabit per second speeds between your router and access points. This adapter transforms existing coaxial wiring into a high-speed Ethernet connection, making it perfect for connecting Wi-Fi mesh systems, streaming devices, and gaming consoles. Setting up the Hitron MoCA adapter is a breeze, with no need for new wiring or complex configurations, providing an instant 2.5 gigabits per second network. The kit comes complete with 2 coax cables, so you have everything you need to establish a reliable MoCA network right out of the box. Its plug-and-play design allows for easy connection to any coax outlet and Wi-Fi router without any technical hassle. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of devices that have an Ethernet port, including high-definition televisions and gaming consoles, though it is not suitable for satellite TV or AT&T Uverse networks.